Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. And for today ay endurance ride tayo today. We will ride about 78 kilometers, and sa init ng araw we ride out 2 PM, tapos hopefully makauwi by 5:30 to 6. Okay, as you can see, balot na balot. Balot na balot. Anyway, I am using my new gloves. And okay, let's go. Hopefully na hindi umulan, kasi sa unahan ay cloudy. Whew. Anyway, let's go. Our current temperature is 27. Okay, let's go. By the way, our route ay Javier, La Paz, Burauen, Palali, Dulag, then highway na going to Abuyog. Okay. Parumba.
Vlogger.
Smile lang, smile.
Vlogger ka.
Dere, video la. Pansin ko lang guys, lakas makalaspag pag hindi maayos yung ventilation mo. Halimbawa, nakabangot ka, naka-tube mask, hindi maayos yung hininga mo, and nakabalot ka and what not. Lakas siya makalaspag, pansin ko lang. Okay, anyway, exiting Javier proper na. Naliligo. Ride safe. Una ko. Buracan. We are now at Barangay Buracan, La Paz, Leyte. Next town will be Burauen, then Bulali, Dulag. We will have our snack at Burauen. By the way, pansin ko lang talaga, dapat talagang mag-practice pag nakabalot ka mag-ride. I am catching my breath. Nasa zone 2 lang yung speed ko, most average. Kasi most likely 90% ng route ay flat. La Paz. We are now at La Paz and stop over at 7-Eleven. May nakausap akong foreigner. Nasa 7-Eleven siya. Nagko-coffee break. His name is Mike and he was heading to Siargao, Bohol, Camiguin and Cagayan. He will do the Mindanao North Loop. Anyway, it was nice talking to him about bicycle and tour. Anyway, going back, this is the road from La Paz going to Burauen. Okay, let's go. Thank you for the good gloomy weather. We are now approaching the ongoing repair in the bridge. Hi, Burauen, Leyte, Daguitan Bridge, Twin Bridge actually, may Daguitan din sa highway. Wow. Okay, let's take a photo. Okay, we're done with the photo. The left is going to Burauen proper. Right na po tayo going to Palali and Dulag. Okay, let's go. Time check is 4 p.m. Approaching the roundabout. I think sa left ay going to Tabon-Tabon, and dito naman sa right ay going to La Paz. Okay, diretso tayo. By the way, sa Majin ay hindi pa updated yung map nila. Wala pa yung roundabout and wala pa yung intersection. Hopefully ma-update na soon. Mostly mga highway lang yung naka-record sa Majin offline map. We are now at the town of Bulita proper. Bulita Leyte. First time on a bike. Yan. Bulita. Dual. Hindi. Municipality of Bulita. Okay guys, we are now approaching the town of Dulag. Refill lang ako ng water and coffee break na rin dito sa 7-Eleven. Then we will proceed back to our hometown. This is more or less 30 more kilometers to go. Okay lang kasi maganda yung weather today. Yay! Seven-Eleven. We are now of Daguitan Bridge na dinaanan natin kanina. This is also Daguitan Bridge. But this time, ito yung nasa highway. Yan. Daguitan Bridge. Ganda ng view. Pangit kalsada. Okay, leaving Dulag, we are now at the municipality of Mayorga. Hapit na. Yan, era famous robot. We are now approaching Mayorga town proper. To the right is going to La Paz. Okay, may checkpoint. This is Mayorga proper. Mayorga. Adi nagpaka-bike. Hi, New Ruta. Hi, New Ruta. Aw.
Ikaw?
Pauli na buyog. Una ko na, hinay. Grabe ka weird sa name. Bukog Bridge. Weird pero nindot ang view. Okay, straight ahead ay MacArthur town proper na po. More or less 15 kilometers to our hometown. Okay, total riding time as of today ay 65 kilometers. Total riding time is 2 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, this is the MacArthur town proper. Traffic. MacArthur town proper. Okay guys, ito yung last bridge going to our hometown. Sa wakas, as of now we have 74.4 kilometers. Whew. Share ko lang yung thoughts ko with the ride. Pag nakabalot ka, you need more practice na nakabalot ka while riding. Kasi as of for me, mahirap siyang huminga. Parang kulang yung oxygen na nai-intake ko. And kanina sumakit yung tuhod ko kasi ubos na yung Parex B-complex ko. Parex, baka naman. Okay, ginawa ko, nag-stretch lang ako saglit and nawala na kalaunan. Anyway, that's it for today's ride guys. Thank you. Ride safe. Bye.